Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. So if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be connected to the internet, so you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, and also you will need to copy a Google account to your watch so you can use the Google services like Play Store, for example, to download the applications. First I'm gonna show you how to connect the watch to the Wi-Fi network, and then I'm gonna show you how to copy a Google account to it. Okay. Forgot to mention though, if you want to copy Google account to your watch needs to be paired with a phone. That's one thing you need to remember. Okay, so now let's continue with the video. So let's wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button. Then press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter. In settings, let's open the Wi-Fi option. Make sure the Wi-Fi is enabled and then tap on Add Network. As you can see already, we have the network connected to, but you can tap on Add Network. Scroll through the list, look for the network you want to connect to, and then you can tap on it. And if the network requires a password, you can enter it on the phone. Oh, of course, if your watch is paired with a phone. If you tap on that option on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see this pop-up right here and you can enter the password. Or you can enter it directly on the watch. There was an option like that too. Where is it? Here, and enter on the watch. It will open the keyboard and you can enter the password. Let me enter the password on the phone because it's more convenient for me that way. So I'm gonna enter it here. Okay, and once you enter the password and it's correct, it will connect to the network. So once you connect to the Wi-Fi network, go back to settings and here find the option called where would it be? Probably Other. So let's tap on Other and here let's look for the Google. Yeah. Once you find Google, tap on it and here tap on Accounts, and right here you have a list of accounts that are connected to your watch or copied to your watch. And if you don't have any account right here, you need to tap on Add Google Account. Remember, your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. So tap on this icon, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up on the screen. Let me actually zoom out the camera a little so you can see. Like this, a bit more. Okay, so on the phone that is paired with our watch, you will see the pop-up, and basically you can select the account, then tap on Continue, and it will copy the account to your watch. Of course, you will need to confirm with the password or the fingerprint or something like that. That is you. Okay, and once you copy the Google account and you have the internet connection on your watch, we can continue with the installation of applications. So to install the apps, we basically need to open the Play Store on our watch. So press the Chrome button, find the Play Store icon. Actually, let me lower brightness a bit because it's a bit too bright. Okay. Oh, now it's better. So find the Play Store icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. If you are logged in into a Google account or have the Google account copied, it will open and you can browse through the different categories and stuff like that right here. Or you can tap on search and look for something more specific. So find the application you want to install. I don't know. Maybe this one, to-do list. And then you can tap on it to select it. And here you will see the screenshot, the reviews and stuff like that. So you can browse this page if you like to. And once you decide to install the application, tap on Install button. It will start downloading. And once it's done installing, you will see the install button change to open, and you will see also the uninstall button, which means that the application is installed. You can open it from here, or if you open the menu, the icon should appear somewhere in the menu right here. You can tap on the icon and it will open the app. And here we have it, it is working. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.